a pile of Chase points, now could be a good time to redeem them because they just dropped 2 new transfer bonuses, and one of them is to my favorite program. This bonus means you could fly to Europe for just 16,000 miles, or you could even book domestic Delta flights for less than what they're charging on their own website. This is a 20% transfer bonus from Chase to Flying Blue, which basically means when you transfer 1,000 Chase points, they're going to give you 1,200 Flying Blue points. Now, Flying Blue is the airline program for both KLM and Air France, but the key thing to remember here is that those airlines are in the SkyTeam Alliance, meaning you can book other flights through them like China Airlines, Delta Airlines, Virgin Atlantic, and a ton of other flights. So let's hop into it. Let me show you some examples and how you can actually find these flights yourself. Their economy flights start at just 19,000 miles. So with this bonus, you would be looking at just 16,000 miles. Here's a few examples to show you what I mean. This one is from Las Vegas to Amsterdam, listed at almost 19,000 miles. Divide that by 1.2 to get a total of 16,000 miles needed to transfer. Now here's an example operated by Delta that's on the Flying Blue website. It's just 19,000 miles in economy, only 32,000 miles in premium economy, and the taxes are only $34. Meanwhile, Delta has lost their mind and is charging 129,000 miles for the exact same flight on the exact same date. This is why I love flexible miles, because I don't get stuck paying prices like this. Even from West Coast cities like LA, there's still some pretty good deals. This one's 40,000 miles in premium economy. And if you're so sick of all the content creators talking about deals like this but not showing you how to find them, I got you covered. I show you 2 ways to search for these flights. Does not require a subscription or anything like that for one of them. The first way is using a website like Seats.aero, where you can actually search for award availability. So you can click on Explore Air France KLM, and then you can search by region. So easily filter on economy, premium, and business, and it's going to show us the routes and the dates. The free version lets you look out 60 days, or the pro version lets you look out 1 year. Now, this is only going to show you mostly direct routes. If you're searching for a route that's not direct, you want to click on search up here and then type it in. So let's say we did Indianapolis to Paris. We have July picked here. It will do a search here and we'll see the results here. So we can see these are the Flying Blue ones. If you don't want to use a website like this, another option is going straight to the Flying Blue website and searching on there. To actually search for your flight, you're going to have to make a Flying Blue account and log into that. When you're searching, you want to make sure you click on one way, search with miles, and then leave your date blank. So then it's going to pull up a calendar view where you can see which dates are available and for what price. Sometimes it doesn't match exactly, but it gives you a pretty good idea of what's available. If you have any questions in the comments, and make sure to follow along for more tips on credit card points and miles.